Hey guys, for this video I have some Amazon deals to share with you. Some really good stuff. You're going to like some of these promo codes. Big discounts, amazing stuff. Items that we haven't seen on sale in the past. We always like having the new stuff available. Everything's going to be linked down below. And the first thing I want to show you is the 14-piece pivoting magnetic bit holder with screwdriver bits. You got the quarter inch SAE hex shank. I mean, I guess maybe technically true, but that's interesting. By BOEN. We've seen a lot of different things from these guys. A lot of socket sets, mechanic tool type stuff, but really nice little thing here. You're getting into tight spaces, give you a little bit of an angle so you can get that impact driver in there. Of course, you're getting the bits to go with it. Now, it's normally $9.99, but we have a 50 that is 50% promo code, making it just $4.99. Of course, free shipping for the Prime members. Not sure when it expires. I did check all these deals before hitting the record button, so it is working right now. And of course, you just click right there. That'll copy that promo code to the clipboard of your device. So then at the Amazon checkout page, you just go to the little promo code link, paste that guy in there, and you'll get $4.99. This little bit holder with the swivel end. Here we have a 6-piece telescoping magnetic pickup tool set. Getting a couple of the magnetic trays. Get the little, I would call gooseneck, bendy kind of guy here. The fixed telescoping magnetics there. And it's going to be $14.99. It's $5 discount, normally $19.99. There's no promo code or coupon, just a sale price, but you're getting several pieces here. I kind of like it. I love these magnetic trays, especially the bigger one. That's where every time I have a little project, first thing I do is grab one of those magnetic trays, throw it on the bench, taking out screws and stuff, throwing them in there, especially doing stuff out in the yard, out in the grass. You ever drop a screw in the grass? Oh my God. It's gone. It's gone. It goes all the way to China, all the way through to the other side. You'll never find it again. So you got to have these magnetic trays. Although once in a while I'll think I lose a screw and I'm looking all over the damn place and I'll pick up the tray and it's like it's stuck to the side of it or something. So you got to be careful of that. But between those trays and little magnetic pickup tools, you drop something in an engine compartment or whatever. Super handy and cheap price to get all those little pieces. 24,000 milliamp hour camping fan, a portable rechargeable fan, battery powered fan with the LED light by YDCBRIRAY. Now, I posted this yesterday. I actually picked it up. It already got delivered, but I haven't had a chance to open it up or take a look at it. But you got the hanging hook, so you can hang it from the ceiling to the top of your tent. The LED ring light around the perimeter. We can see the state of charge in the middle. It will charge your other devices, work as like a little power battery bank. And it's also a fan, so a little bit of a MacGyver thing right here. Normally $37.99. Again, we have another 50% promo code. Love the 50%ers. Always welcomed here. Going through the end of September, if it actually lasts that long, you guys know they kill the codes early all the time, so we don't expect that to happen. But you're going to be under $20 for a new camping fan. Nice big battery in there. Fan, light, power bank, does it all. Everything you want, nothing you don't. Another deal I picked up myself yesterday. The 52-foot solar string lights, waterproof patio lights, solar powered with remote, USB port, shatterproof bulbs, 3 light modes, dimmable solar light. You know, it's funny, I'll give you one quick side note. My sister has a set very similar to this. I don't think it's the same brand. Squirrels ate all the light bulbs. They ate them. Didn't know that was a thing, so you might need to figure out how to squirrel-proof these guys. You hope they get electrocuted and just like stop or something, but no dice. Anyway, you got the solar panel there, so nice and portable. And it starts out at $17.99, 33% promo code. It only takes a couple of dollars off because, you know, it's not a high price to begin with, but it went up just a little bit because when I bought it yesterday, it was only like $11 or $12. I think it's up to $14 now because the price went up a buck or two. Still, really good deal. I love that they're solar powered. And we're going to do a couple of videos probably on this channel, maybe on the second channel. But I think this one, I bought one of those Freedom campers. If you don't know what it is, look it up. And I have a 10 by 10 like canopy thing. And I thought, oh, when you get the little camper out, set up the canopy alongside, and then just string, since it's a 10 by 10, that's 40 feet, and I guess I'll have a little extra. String that around, point that solar panel into the sun, I got a nice little lighting going on for my canopy, so we'll see how it goes. 55-piece impact nut driver set, magnetic, SAE, and metric nut drivers, deep impact nut drivers by FACOOW. Comes in the handy dandy case. You got shallows, you got deeps, you got different types of adapter guys. Love these things. $47.99, 40% off. That's supposed to go through the 17th, so you have a few days to take advantage of it. I was just using these the other day, working on the lawnmower. You know what? I got the dumb Simplicity fancy-ass lawnmower. It's got power steering and electric raising and lowering of the deck, which I don't ever change the deck. Anyway, you know what all that stuff is? It's extra shit that can break. That's all it is. So, of course, it's broken for like the 4th time this summer. So, these things I love. Get the impact driver out. Just bring this whole case out. I have all the sockets I need. Easy. It was fixed. Didn't make it through an entire mow. Broke again. Parts are expensive as shit. Simplicity, most of the stuff you can't just go to a random. You gotta. Oh, man. Never again. Never! The battery-operated shed light, LED work light compatible with your DeWALT 20-volt battery hanging light, indoor-outdoor camping light by T-Sun. I thought this thing was really, really unique. $24.99, 40% off. Not sure when it expires. Good right now. It brings it down to $15. So you guys have definitely seen these deformable lights in the past. You can pivot these panels to direct the light wherever you want to go. But this one connects to your DeWALT batteries. It looks like it even has a little USB output there, so you charge something off of it. Thought really good. You know, of course, they're listed as a shed light here. Could be good for that. I was thinking if you turn power off in a room, you're doing some kind of construction work or whatever, it'd be really easy to hang this up as temporary lighting, and those leaves or panels being able to pivot. You can direct that light wherever you need it, put that in the center of a room, and bam, you're back to having light again. And the ease of using the DeWALT batteries. $15. That's a pretty good deal. I think it's worth getting. 4-piece masonry trowel set, high carbon steel, flat and tooth plastering trowels, 7 and 9-inch brick layers by Craftzone. So definitely not something that we typically see promo codes for, which is kind of my favorite stuff because sometimes it gets to be the same old, same old. $25.99, 50% off. It's only going to be $12.99 for that 4-pack. You can go build you a chimney. Why the hell not? 18-pack garage hooks, heavy-duty utility steel garage storage hooks, 2 storage straps. I actually love those little straps, little Velcro straps with the grommet on the top. Pretty handy for your extension cords and such. Utility garage wall-mounted hooks by Nacial. $39.99. Now that's a little bit high, kind of an inflated price on that guy, but we're getting the 50% promo code. Lots of 50%ers again. We love the 50%. Promo code right there. Not sure when it expires. Good right now. So it's going to be $19.99 for the 18-pack. I believe it's 18 plus these two, if I understood correctly. Of course, comes with all of the hardware for mounting them up. Cordless drywall sander with vacuum, no dust, or at least less. 900 watt, you're getting 2 4-amp-hour batteries. Popcorn ceiling removal tool, there you go. By Seesii. Of course, you guys know the Seesiis. You can use their batteries. You can use Makita 18-volt batteries if you prefer. Got the handy-dandy bag there. Vacuum. Oh, they even give you a little hairnet? Is that what that is? Is that a hairnet? Go with it. $219.99, 25% off. Let's see, that's about $60 or so that you'll be taking off of that price. Let's call it $150 because we're trying to do easy math. It's supposed to go through December, but $150 cordless, 2 batteries. Those are 4-amp-hour batteries. All the sandpaper, 12 discs it says. Much better than doing it by hand. Much better than the sponge thing. There was a time when I liked doing the sponge thing. because it was less messy, but it just doesn't work out right. You got to sand it. Give it a good, healthy sanding. Come out looking like a snowman. Vacuum electric suction cup lifter. USB charging batteries, 570 max load by DERRO. Been seeing a lot of different deals on similar items somewhat lately. It seems to be kind of a fad that has been very popular and prices dropping. And you're going to love the price on this one. It starts out at $50, but another 50% promo code just hitting you over the head with the 50%ers. It's going to be $24.99. You're getting two of them. That's $12.50 a piece. Got the batteries there to keep them all charged up. Mirrors, your tiles, all sorts of stuff. Get that suction cup, give you a good grip on it. You don't want to break the mirror. What is that, 7 years of bad luck? Boy, I must have broke a lot of mirrors and didn't even realize it. Rechargeable flashlight, high lumen, 90,000. Or so they say, but they're liars. So, super bright LED flashlight, tactical flashlight. You got 5 modes. The LCD display, which I actually love that display because I want to look at it and see exactly what my battery life is. How much time do I have to live? Show me that battery life. By TUGHLAX? I don't know. $21.99. 50. Oh, no. This one's better than 50%. Look at that. We also threw in that 60% coupon, or 660. Wish. 6% coupon goes on top of the 50, taking 56% off. Going to be real close to $10 on that guy. Of course, comes with the battery. I would assume an 18650. Rechargeable. High, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hitting too many. Getting crazy. Let's get these buttons right. Offset extension wrench. 15.4-inch tight reach extension wrench. You're getting all the quarter, the 3/8, the half-inch square adapters. Get a 1/4-inch socket by XKONE. $25.99. 50% off. Boy, I feel like the title and thumbnail is going to have to mention 50%. It's a theme today. Get yourself into those tight spaces. You put your adapter on that end. You put a ratchet or whatever you got on this end. I probably wouldn't put an impact on it. It might break something. It says max torque 53 pounds. Keep that in mind. But get you into those tight spaces. Probably a chain running inside there, going from one end to the other. That looks like a 1/4-inch hex for that adapter, which is really nice. $25.99, 50% off is going to be $12.99. You use that thing once, it saves your ass. It was worth $12.99, that's for sure. Cordless tire inflator, portable air compressor by WOLFBOX. Now, their stuff starts out super expensive. They definitely list themselves, market, position themselves as a premium brand because shit's expensive. But starts out $59.99. We have a 50% promo code and a $12 coupon that stacks. So as long as that lasts, you go down to $30 after the promo code. Then you take $12 off of that. Both come off. Well, the percentages always come off the top. It's not $12 off and then 50% off the discounted amount. It's 50% off the top. So you're 30 minus 12, $18. Now, I did do a video on this way back in the day comparing it to that Bullseye Pro, which the Bullseye Pro is so overpriced. That thing's $80, $100 or something. It's older. It's bulkier. I tried to make that point, and some people make bad decisions and then they double down on their bad decision. It's like the Harbor Freight wall light that's $15, and I'll tell people, no, you can get this other one. It's brighter, it's better. It's like $3. And they're like, no, this is the best purchase of my life. Okay, that's fine. You just keep doing that then. Cordless inflator. 4-pack BR30 smart light bulbs compatible with Alexa, Apple, Google. Smart things. 60-watt bulbs, Wi-Fi, 650 lumens by OREIN. Now, really what I liked about this is there's tons of smart bulbs out there, but you don't get the BR30s, the recessed light bulbs your options if you want a smart bulbs become extremely limited compared to just like your traditional one. So I really like these. It's a 4-pack. Starts out at $19.99. Not 50% off, but 35%. So we're going to take $7 off of that. You're going to pay $12.99 for 4. It's like $4 a piece, $3 a piece, whatever. Good for today and tomorrow. To get that app controlled, you can change the colors, the brightness, all those things. Bristle free, because you saw the recall on that. What was it, Coleman, or what brand was it? So someone made a bunch of grill brushes and they recalled them all because the wire bristles fall off and get in your food, and then you eat them, and then it like punctures things and kills you. I don't know if anyone actually died, but I mean probably. Electric grill brush, fire resistant barbecue grill brush, reciprocating grill brush by KSNLM. So this is the one that we did a video on. You can see the video right here if you want to check it out, or a month or so ago. $31.99, 50% off. So just north of $15. It has a real nice action, and the end of this, the head screws on and off, so you can get real creative with what you want to screw on the end of that reciprocating action going on right here. You do get a couple of different heads. I just use the sponge ones, the only one I've been using, but you get that sponge nice and wet, get the grill hot, and just go to town on it. Actually works better than I kind of first expected it. I bought it more out of a curiosity than anything. I thought, this does work pretty good. And not too expensive, so there you go. 145-piece concrete screws with the drill bit and hex bit to go with it. Blue hex washer head, concrete screw anchor. We got 2 options here for you. They are by FOLIV. So 145-piece are there. It starts out at $22.99. The 120-piece here, slightly different selection, $15.99. And then we have 30% off of either of those, so about $5 off there, close to $10. Like $7 off of that, close to $13-ish. I didn't check. I mean, this promo code works for both, but I didn't check if you could buy, if you had to pick one or the other, if you get both of them. That part I'm not sure of. I didn't check if it worked for multiple quantities. But that's another one. We see screws and bolts and stuff, but not these like concrete screws, so. Always handy to have around. Never know when you might need them. Comes with the drill bit to go with it, which is nice. Of course, the drive bit, which is less important. You probably already have that anyway. So there it is, guys. The latest Amazon deals. Well, 50% promo codes. That's really amazing. I love that. Everything's going to be linked down below. I'm going to post this on TikTok as well. So if you're on TikTok, just go to the homepage of my website because they don't let me put a bunch of links in the description over there. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like. Subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.